1K. So, hi guys. Takbo na naman tayo. Today is 2K na warm up and then intervals na tayo until 10K yung takbo natin. So, ayan guys, 2K na tayo. So, we'll be starting our interval run. So, gagawin ko sa interval ko is 400 meters sprint and then for 200 meters walk and 400 meters easy run. And then I will repeat it until 8 times. Okay, start na tayo for our first sprint. Let's go! So, yun. First 400 meter sprint. Then walk tayo ng 200 meters. And then easy run. And then sprint again. Okay, 3K na tayo. 4K na tayo. Mag-third set na tayo sa ating interval. 5K. 6K. 7 kilometers na tayo. So ayun guys, mag 8 kilometers na. $9K. So last set of intervals, last kilometer. So we're going home na. $10K. That's all for today. Bye.